Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Begin by setting the job up for safety and efficiency. Park the van on level ground, open the door, and place a protective towel beneath the mirror to catch screws and protect paint. Gather a 10 mm socket, Torx T20 driver, plastic trim tool, small 3 mm pick, and a soft-faced hammer. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 1 minute to clear any residual power. This prevents airbag or mirror motor faults and avoids electrical shorting while you remove the assembly. Start removal by folding the mirror inward and using the plastic trim tool or pick to lift the small triangular trim cap at the door's interior. It covers the mounting bolts. Pry out the single trim clip near the hinge area so the cap releases cleanly. Locate and remove the 3 10 mm bolts while supporting the mirror with your free hand to prevent sudden drops. Reach behind the housing, depress the wiring harness latch, unplug the connector straight out, then lift the mirror assembly away from the door. To reinstall, position the mirror housing onto the studs and route the wiring harness through the door opening. Reconnect the harness by pushing the plug straight in until the latch clicks. Hand start the 3 10 mm bolts to align the assembly, then tighten them evenly to 8 10 nm to avoid distorting the mirror plate. Refit the triangular trim cap and any door clips. Reconnect the battery, test electric adjust, heating, and power folding functions, and make final alignment adjustments if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.